Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Bard AI on Chrome for beginners. If you want to get started and use Bard AI on Chrome as a beginner, then you've landed in the right place. To start using Bard AI on your Chrome, first of all, you will need to install the Bard AI extension on your Chrome. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. Step 1. Install Bard AI extension. Simply go ahead and launch open Google Chrome web browser on your computer, and then once you're inside the main homepage, in the URL box type in chromewebstore.google.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this web store discover page, go to the search extension and themes option at the top and type in Bard AI. Now click on the Bard AI chat option and click on add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking on add extension in the pop-up at the top, and you will then be able to install the extension on your Google Chrome web browser. Step 2. Access Bard AI. After you are done, go to the top right corner and click on this extension button. You can now pin the Bard AI chat extension on your web browser's home screen by clicking on the pin icon. Now you will be able to see your Bard extension added at the top right. You can then go ahead and click on it to open up Bard AI. Step 3. Login or sign up. In order to get started with Google Bard, or now known to be Gemini, go ahead and sign into your Google account. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't have a Google account yet, you will need to create one. Simply go ahead and click on create account button and follow through the instructions to create a new Google account. Enter your information to create a new account for Google. If you already have a Google account, simply enter your Google account's credential when prompted. Choose your Google account from the list, or you can also use any other Google account of your preference. Enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Google account. Click on the next button once you are done entering the credential. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password for Google account. Go ahead and type it down in the text box. After entering your account's password, click on next. After you sign into your account, you will then end up in the main homepage. Step 4. Start using Bard AI. Once you're logged in or signed up for a new account on Bard AI, you can start using the platform to generate content. Go to the bottom of the screen and you will be able to see a prompt tab. Enter the topic or prompt you want the Bard AI to generate content for in the text box provided. Once you type in your prompt, click on the send button or the submit button, and you will be able to let Bard AI create content based on your input. Step 5. Review and edit. After Bard AI generates content based on the provided topic or prompt, review the generated content and make any edits or adjustments as needed. You can edit by going to your prompt and then click on the edit text button. You can also enter more details or change some of your topic and try to modify your topic or prompt. You can also ask Bard AI to generate additional content for refine the existing content further. Simply go ahead and write down the prompt. Step 6. Save and copy content. Once you are satisfied with your content, you can now save it directly from the Bard AI extension or copy it on your clipboard to use elsewhere. Simply go ahead and scroll all the way down from the content and click on the 3 dots. Now click on copy in order to copy the content that you received. You can now paste in the content anywhere or share it anywhere you want. Step 7. Explore advanced features. The Bard AI provides various advanced features and settings that you can explore to enhance your content generation experience. You can experiment with different prompts, languages and output lengths to see what works best for your need. So those were some of the steps you can follow if you are a beginner and you'd like to get started with Bard AI on your Chrome web browser. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode soon. Thank you for watching.